if you do like to abbreviate any phrases, we use the abbreviation tag. Let's see by an example. This is the abbreviation tag. We use the title attribute to define the full form of that abbreviated words. We are going to use the www, and the full form of www is World Wide Web. And here we use the abbreviated word, which is here www, and we can continue our paragraph. Is a set of all the web sites connected to the internet worldwide. Let's save this, open it in web browser. Now see, when we mouse over this abbreviated word, we will see the full form of that abbreviated word, which is World Wide Web here. Thank you.